Welcome to El Alamein. Here is where Browny shines like a diamond. He's going to showcase his awesome weasel skills. And I don't know how he got them because he didn't have the weasel for that long. But I showed him a couple of things and he went ape. I had helped him to maximize as commander, and the rest is history, which is what you're seeing right here. Look at this wolf pack. Three weasels backed up by a light tank. Nice one, good ram. Oh, he's stuck on the side. This guy's toast. Our guys will chew him. Nice. Goodbye, weasel. That's one. Uh-oh. Prey spotted. Beware, he hungers. Saw that one coming a mile away. For those of you who aren't weasel players, Browny makes it look way easier than it actually is. Outstanding shot. Be careful, Browny. Oh, jeez. My heart started beating faster. I know this is a replay. There's some fresh meat up there on top of a rock. Oh. It's very difficult to hit those guys, but when you got a great shot like Browny had, he was going relatively straight. It was a good choice. The weasel has 24 rockets, just in case you're wondering. Oh, that was a nasty shot right there. Absolutely evil. Nasty. Now, Browny's team caught the lead, and he's done everything in his power to maintain that lead. This guy's in major league trouble. Just a bit outside. Probable Molot. What a great shot that was. His quick spin is really good. Mine, not so much. Looks like a negative to me. It would have helped if he would have zoomed, but this is what happens when you don't make a lot of copies from your replays. It's not as fluent with the controls. Absolutely fantastic shot of the replay. So that's okay. He makes up for it with killer rocket shots. Just absolutely killer. Watch out, Brownie. Those are dangerous. Oh! Well, one of the rules at the end of the game, if you have a weasel on your team, you always have a chance. And 1 versus 2 is not that bad, relatively speaking, because the weasel has a terrific hit and run, nasty shot right there. Absolute fantastic work. So now it's down to 1-on-1. And that guy shooting bullets, he's not a weasel. I'm going to give the edge to the weasel. Unless that guy's a mulot. That mulot is super difficult to kill. Nope. Looks like a Merkava. It is. So long, chump. Great shot. Yes, certain tanks are just easier to kill than others, and the Merkava is a relatively easy kill in the weasel. For an experienced player. If both are experienced players, the weasel has the edge. The target acquisition for the Merkava is just too hard relative to the target acquisition of the weasel. The weasel is tiny and mobile. The Merkava is neither of those things. Easy money. That guy got the heck out of Dodge. Problem is, he doesn't know where he can go to be safe from that monster. Just drilled him. On open ground, he's at the mercy of the weasel, who apparently has none. Yeah, there's no need to go fast while he's reloading. Look at this. You can't do this and expect to live. He's giving him long distance, clean looks at him from behind. Oh, well, that's unfortunate. C'est la guerre. Man, that was vicious. What a fantastic work of art from Browny. Ooh, ATGM expert. That's a good medal. Yes, those guys were a terrific 1-2 punch. That Doberman was awesome on the damage, with Browny being awesome on the kills. Like Batman and Robin. It's just a devastating team. Really a fantastic job by both of them, keeping the game alive. And when Browny died, it was like a tag team. He tags Doberman in, and Doberman goes for the kill, as the name says. If you look at what Browny did, it was amazing. He got those 4 kills 6,500 plus another 691. So basically 7,000 plus combined damage. Did real well on the silver, 160,000 plus, and real well on the commander experience. However, he's got a 9 skill commander, so it's just bonus experience at this point. Just an absolutely fantastic display and a well-earned second place overall. Those guys were just fantastic together, and it was nice to see them. Now, I'm going to show you a couple of other games that Browny did so you can see why this isn't a surprise to us. Here's one of Browny's masterpieces that he did but did not make a recording for. And wow, what can you say? He's become a complete freak. I'd like to have a 10,000 damage game. Haven't had one yet. I guess I will eventually, but this guy's crazy. And here is the other one. Now, the funny thing is, Browny was not doing well in the WIESEL until I got into games with him and then quizzed him about his commander and his equipment setup. I don't know, what I was thinking. So I gave him the benefit of the information that I received, helped him with his setup, helped him with his commander, and that was the last time I was better than Browny in a WIESEL. So, like Dr. Frankenstein, I've created a monster. And you see what this monster does. He eats teams for lunch. Which is cool when he's on your team. When you have to face this guy, he's too scary. So this is the handiwork of Browny. And don't let the kid's voice fool you. The dude is an absolute stone cold killer. I can't really say enough about it. It's disgusting. I worked hard to get to what decent level I'm at. He was just like, oh, well, thanks for the info. And passed me and left me in the virtual dust. So this is our little Browny. And he's a monster. But a good monster. So I hope you like this video that he recorded for us to show off his skills in a really good match. One that was really close all the way to the end. That was fantastic. Please tell your friends. That way they'll have a chance to check it out. Maybe they'll leave a like or subscribe. Who knows? So I look forward to seeing you guys later in another video. I'm going to be out of here. So once again, leave a comment for Browny. Let him know what you thought of his work. I think it's awesome. Don't you?